Fifth, fifth part of the fundamental right, that is cultural and educational rights, which covers Article 29 and 30. Okay. 29 article says protection of interest of minorities. These two articles are related to the minorities. Okay, minorities, like our school is also common the minorities, Jain, Sikhs, Christian, these are the minorities classes. So these two articles made it for the minorities persons. If their laws, their rules and regulations will be abolished, then they go through this article. Article 29 provides minorities section of the society who have distinct language, scripts, culture, rights to conserve the same. It also prohibits educational institution maintained by the state and receiving aids of state fund. मीन्स आपके स्कूल्स में, जैसे आपके स्कूल है माइनॉरिटीज़ वाले, तो उनके सारे एजुकेशन के प्रोविजन जो होते हैं वो जल्दी पास आउट हो जाते हैं एज़ कम्पेयर फ्रॉम द जनरल कास्ट. सो दिस विल बी फॉर द माइनॉरिटीज़. जो आपके माइनॉरिटीज़ हैं, दे हैव राइट of to do the educational institution on the state fund. For denying admission to any citizen on the ground of religions, but they cannot do or deny any person to do the admission on the ground of religion, race, caste or language. उनको भी मना नहीं किया जाएगा कि नहीं आप minorities में आते, you cannot take the admission in this school. Like Muslims are also there, Christians were also there, so they cannot be denied on the ground of their religion, race, caste and languages. They are also abolition of their 14 article, right to equality. So this is article 29 which protect the interest of minorities. को आप मना नहीं करोगे जॉब देने से, एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन में एडमिशन लेने से, और किसी भी तरीके से आप उनको मना नहीं कर सकते that you are covering the minorities, so you cannot do this type of job. This the one famous case is given for this topic, that is State of Madras versus Champakan Doyrajan. Secondly, Article 30 says right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. This article has taken as a institution also. Basler School is set up by the minorities person. So एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन अगर मना किया जाता है कि minorities बंदे को हम ये नहीं करने देंगे, सेटअप करने नहीं देंगे on the state funds, so their fundamental right will be abolished under Article 13. This was decided in TMA Byte Foundation versus Karnataka. Okay, which prohibit all the minorities can based on religion, race, caste, right to establish, administer any educational institution of their own choice. Clear? 29 is for the interest of the minorities. 30 to set up an educational institution by the minorities. Last, sixth fundamental part, that is all the fundamental right. If any fundamental rights is infringed from Article 14 to 30, so that fundamental right can have the remedies in the 32 article. So Article 32 is the person's fundamental right. So remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights is under Article 32. The 31 is repealed out, no? That is why 32 is there. 32, that any aggrieved person, किसी का fundamental right abolition होता है, violated होता है, denied होता है, then he or she can directly file a case in the Supreme Court for the enforcement of their fundamental right. Unlike cases of other matters which one has to exhaust, remedies of lower courts in matter of fundamental rights, politician, one can approach to directly to the Supreme Court or to the High Court under Article 226. High Court में भी लगा सकता है directly case, और Supreme Court में भी under 32 के अंदर cases can be filed out by that aggrieved one. Last, अगर उनके फंडामेंटल राइट का अबॉलिशन होता है, वीकर सेक्शन ऑफ साइड, एक और रेमेडी है, दैट इज़ PIL, है ना. वी रीड इट इन द 11th क्लास ऑल्सो. PIL, पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन, ऑल्सो नोन एज सोशल एक्शन लिटिगेशन. मीन्स आर्टिकल 32 ऑल्सो अलाउ टू प्रैक्टिस PIL इफ एनी वीकर सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी है या कोई अदर पर्सन लाना चाहता है केस, है ना, कोई फंडामेंटल राइट किसी का अबॉलिशन हो रही है, केस नहीं लगा रहा है, तो अदर पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो फाइल अ केस फॉर that person under PIL to directly write a letter to the Supreme Court and the High Court. Like हुसैन अरा खातून में लेटर पोस्ट किया गया था ना प्रिजनर के थ्रू, तो दैट इज़ PIL. सुनील बत्रा केस इज देयर, फेमस केस सुनील बत्रा versus Union of India. In that case also one person prisoner post a letter to the government as PIL court, then it was taken as the PIL. Persons, organizations alleging that fundamental right politician convert into petition. That letter also convert into petition. The author of the letter analyzes violation of fundamental right of the weaker section of the society who are unable to approach to the court, and they include people in custody, victim of police violence, bonded labor, migrant, contracted labor. मीन्स ये सारी कैटेगरीज के अपोज में आप भी केस लगा सकते हो. इफ़ दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू द कोर्ट डायरेक्टली, देन ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ देम यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइल अ PIL टू द कोर्ट, एंड दैट PIL विल कन्वर्ट इनटू पिटिशन ऑफ दैट पर्सन. केस लग जाएगा, है ना. तो एक और प्रोविज़न दिया है कोर्ट में कि यू कैन फाइल अ केस विद द फंडामेंटल राइट ऑफ एनी ड्वेलर, any vendor is abolishing, then on behalf of that person, a fundamental right of their abolition, so on behalf of them you can file the case against directly to the Supreme Court under Article 32 and to the High Court under Article 226. Now clear, this all is all about fundamental rights. 6 fundamental rights I have explained here in the video. Nextly we will start our directive principle of state policy.